Verydarkman underestimated Blord, and that has cost him the invisible image that he had before now. Blord has demystified Verydarkman. You had a banter with Blord, and you lost the banter. You were the first person that accused Blord of fraud, defamed his name, said that he was defrauding people online. And when you accused him, instead of you to take him to court and sue him for defrauding people, according to you, you decided to banter him online. And just Blord decided to confront you banter for banter. Unlike people in the past who have chickened away when you banter them online. The likes of Obi Kubana, when you bantered him, he didn't say a word. He avoided you and left. Nedu Wazobia, when you bantered him, he didn't say a word. He avoided you and left. But you met somebody who could match you for energy, aura for aura, egusi for egusi. And that is Blord. He decided to confront you online. The banter was so much. At the end of it, you lost in the banter. You lost in the banter. Rather than go home and lick your wound, you decided to conspire with the corrupt judicial system, the one that puts Nigeria in the current situation, that rigged Bola Ahmed Tinubu into power. You decided to connive with them, with Nigerian police, to detain Blord. Well, thank God. Say breeze don't blow, fire don't open. Blord has been able to demystify you. Before now, you looked as an immortal in Nigeria. To many people in Nigeria, you are incorruptible. Your manipulative character was still hidden. But thank God for Blord. He has been able to unravel that manipulative character that is in you. Thank God for Blord. Before now, you were telling us you don't go to court. You defame people, drag them and kill their business. But you met your match in Blord. He matched you bomber to bomber. And now you quickly ran to the corrupt system, judicial system, connive, manipulated the system to detain Blord. And after detaining him, you're ashamed now. All you are now doing, who will beg you, who will plead with you. Nobody is pleading with you. And I'm happy what Blord said. Nobody should plead for him because he knows he has not done anything. That's why I was angry when I saw Fino saying it was how? Blord was not convicted. They just manipulated. Verydarkman just manipulated the corrupt judicial system, connived with them, conspired with them to detain Blord in a case that shouldn't have come to court. So when he's bragging, saying he's leading into court, no, you have not convicted him. What you have done is to conspire with the oppressive system to oppress Blord. So now that image you had before now has been demystified. Blord will come out stronger. But you can see you have killed the brand Verydarkman. You have killed it because of your manipulative tendencies. So for those of you who still look at somebody just posted, Sarah just posted after Verydarkman came out and said his lawyer will not oppose his bail. And we now saw an affidavit, counter affidavit, applying that his bail should be denied. And he's saying he's not him, he's not him. What do you expect us to believe? It's not you. In your own case. I'm proud of Blord. I'm proud of him for matching you because we need to be respecting people. That you are popular. You're a social media social media warrior. You have fans. Does not mean that you now manipulate people. You threaten people. You oppress people with your fame, with your popularity. Thank God that Blord matched you. Aura for aura. Egusi for egusi. Maybe you have now learned sense. But the problem is that you are learning it late because your influence has been dwindling from that very first day you had issue with Blord. And it will continue to go down. It's not my making. You are the one that caused it. This is a lesson for all of us. Blord. If to say they allow people to come and stay with you for there. Some of us for volunteer can't stay with you for like 2-3 days. We are proud of you.